Have you ever delved into the intricacies of the power structure within the judicial system? Do these roots intertwine with non-government organizations, weaving a web of influence that could stir concern regarding potential conflicts of interest? Today we'll be exploring these complex issues through prominent figure who appears right in the middle of it, David C. Bonfiglio. Bonfiglio's tale is sure to shed some light on these intriguing questions. In the mid-80s, a fresh face emerged onto the judicial landscape of Elkhart County. That face belonged to a man we're going to talk about today, David C. Bonfiglio. Since 1986, Bonfiglio has been a stalwart figure in the judiciary of this corner of Indiana. As a judge, Bonfiglio has taken on multiple roles, presiding over a spectrum of cases. He has dealt with issues of neglect, abuse, and delinquency in the juvenile court for over 15 years. As Judge Bonfiglio's career progressed, his connections with numerous non-government organizations also increased. Among these is Oaklawn Psychiatric Center, a facility that often finds itself inundated with orders from the Elkhart courts. Intriguingly, several county employees from Elkhart County government, including the incumbent sheriff, are part of the board of directors at other entities. It's noteworthy that many individuals who stood before Judge Bonfiglio in their younger years find themselves in front of him again. This scenario triggers the question of whether the influence of Judge Bonfiglio considerably impacts families across different generations. In the intricate web of connections that weave around Judge Bonfiglio's professional life, one name stands out: Mary Rotz. A guardian ad litem, Rotz is the sole individual utilized by Judge Bonfiglio through Child and Parent Services, also known as CAPS. This organization plays a crucial role in providing services to families and children in the Elkhart community, such as Bashore Children's Home, are also commonly relied upon, but the connections don't end there. Interestingly, CAPS shares an unexpected link with marijuana dispensaries in Michigan, the city of Elkhart, and even the 4-H fair. They all utilize the same marketing company, Vala Marketing. You can check out their work on their website, the link is listed in the description below. This revelation raises further questions about the extent of the network surrounding Judge Bonfiglio's professional life, and potential conflicts of interest that might arise from these connections. The potential implications of these connections will be explored further, but the story doesn't end there. Bonfiglio's relationship with these organizations extends beyond the courtroom. He has publicly praised the vital role of community-based organizations like the YMCA in assisting at-risk youth. Moreover, Bonfiglio has applauded the drug court model, a program that merges stringent accountability with intensive treatment for offenders, as a powerful tool in combating severe issues like drug and alcohol. However, the fact that county employees or their family members sit on the board of directors at these facilities does raise questions. Could there be a conflict of interest for him due to these connections? What does this intricate web of influence, with Bonfiglio as one of the main characters, mean for the people and families who find themselves entangled in county employees or their family members? This network of relationships raises questions about potential conflicts of interest, especially considering the long-lasting impact Judge David C.'s judgments have had on individuals and families. Along with Bonfiglio's involvement, serves as a reminder that the roots of power in the judicial system can grow deep and wide, intertwining with various sectors of society. A scenario that prompts us to question, to examine, and to understand the intricate workings of the system that serves justice.
When it comes to back in the Detective Bureau, investigations can take 3 to 6 months. I'll back that up. For like juvenile cases, sometimes it could take less than 30 days. But with adult investigation, with any investigation, it goes 0 to 3 months, 3 to 6 months, 6 to 9 months, 9 to 12 months. I mean, there is no actual timetable when it comes to documentation and investigation. I don't understand where probable cause come in a search warrant.
You don't understand that in order to obtain a search warrant, a police department needs probable cause, both that a crime has occurred and that the person or place to be searched has evidence of the crime?
Got him! Got him!